I created a new file that includes only the end parts or the extensions of the flat grid. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to import another file that has the L brackets, place them to where I want the nesting to be for the phone, do a Boolean difference, therefore creating the holes for the L brackets to go in. And we'll see how that works in 1 second here. So one way to do this is import. You want to append because I want to add this object. I have the L brackets, open, and here they are. So I have 2 of them. I really only need 1. So I'm just going to turn this one invisible for now. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to center this on here. Edit, transform. I'm going to make this interval 0 pretty small, so 0.05, so I can get some precise movements. So if I line this up here perfectly, I think this should be enough space for the phone to nest into it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this up to where the prongs are within the object. I can see it sort of sticking there, so sticking out, so I'm going to move it back just a little bit. Move it forward. Okay, so I'm going to take note of these coordinates. Okay. So I like that setup. So what I'm going to do is this. Do a Boolean difference, and it should only subtract plugs. Boom, look at that. That looks great. So now let's try this on the other one. So first thing that we're going to have to do is we're going to have to rotate it because these are going to be cornered in. So edit, transform, rotate 180 degrees. I'm just going to move this in the relative area. I'm going to look at my coordinates that I wrote down. Now this should be precisely opposite of this one. So boom, boom, Boolean difference. I like it. Looks great.